the advantages of DBMS over file-based systems? Answer: a database management system, DBMS, overcomes the limitations of file-based systems by providing centralized control of data. Advantages: 1. Data redundancy control, prevents duplication of data stored in multiple files. 2. Data consistency, updates made in one place automatically reflect everywhere. 3. Data security, access rights can be assigned to specific users. 4. Data integrity, ensures accuracy and reliability through constraints. 5. Concurrent access, multiple users can access the data simultaneously. 6. Backup and recovery, automatic recovery in case of failure. Example: in a university, all departments can access a single student database instead of maintaining separate files. 2. Define data dictionary. Answer: a data dictionary is a centralized repository that stores metadata, data about data. Contents of data dictionary: names of tables, columns, and data types, relationships among tables, constraints, indexes, and keys, user privileges. Purpose: helps programmers and DBAs understand data structure, ensures consistency across applications. Example: table name, column name, data type, key type. Student, primary key. Student name, #3. What is the role of a database administrator, DBA? Answer: a DBA is responsible for managing, maintaining, and securing the database. Major roles: 1. Database design, creating structure and schema. 2. Security management, granting user permissions. 3. Performance tuning, ensuring efficient query execution. 4. Backup and recovery, protecting data against loss. 5. Monitoring, checking database health and usage. Example: in a banking system, a DBA ensures that transaction data is secure, accurate, and backed up regularly. 4. Differentiate between primary key and foreign key. Basis: primary key, foreign key. Definition: uniquely identifies a record in a table, links two tables together. Null values: cannot accept null values, can accept null values. Uniqueness: must be unique, may repeat. Purpose: identify each record uniquely. Maintain referential integrity. Example: student table, role no primary key. Marks table, role foreign key referencing student. In the three-level architecture of DBMS with a neat diagram. Answer: the three-level architecture of DBMS, ANSY's Spark model, separates user interaction from physical storage. It ensures data abstraction and independence. Levels: 1. External level, view level, closest to users. Defines how data is viewed, different views for different users. Example: student sees marks, admin sees all records. 2. Conceptual level, logical level, represents the logical structure of the database. Describes entities, attributes, relationships, independent of physical storage. 3. Internal level, physical level, describes how data is actually stored, files, indexes, access paths, concerned with efficiency and performance. Diagram: you can see the code in our conversation history. Advantages: data abstraction, data independence, simplifies database design and maintenance. Library system: students view book titles only, while librarians view complete book inventory and member data. Functions and roles of a database management system. Answer: a DBMS is software that stores, organizes, and manages access to data efficiently. Major functions: 1. Data storage and retrieval, stores large amounts of data and retrieves it using queries, SQL. 2. Data definition, defines database schema using DDL, data definition language. 3. Data manipulation, allows insertion, deletion, and updating using DML, data manipulation language. 4. Data security, grants privileges to users, restricts unauthorized access. 5. Backup and recovery, ensures data is recoverable after system failure. 6. Concurrency control, manages simultaneous access by multiple users. 7. Integrity maintains accuracy and consistency using constraints. Example: in an online shopping site, DBMS stores user details, orders, and payments. Ensures two users can't buy the same product simultaneously. Roles of DBMS: acts as an interface between user and database, ensures reliability, consistency, and ease of use. Describe the relational model in detail, including domains, tuples, and relations. Answer: the relational model, proposed by E.F. Codd, organizes data into tables, relations consisting of rows, tuples, and columns, attributes. Key components: 1. Relation, a table with unique rows. Example: role no, name, course. 1. Aisha, BCA. 2. Rahul, BBA. 2. Tuple, a single row in a relation represents one record. 3. Attribute, a column representing a property of the entity. 4. Domain, the set of valid values for an attribute. Example, domain of roll no integers 100. 5. Keys, primary key uniquely identifies tuples. Foreign key establishes relationship between tables. Candidate key, super key also define uniqueness. 6. Constraints, entity integrity, primary key cannot be null. Referential integrity, foreign key must match an existing primary key. Example relationship. You can see the code in our conversation history, foreign key dept ID in student references, dept ID in department. Advantages, simplicity, flexibility, data independence.